Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can import caption to your project on CapCut PC application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have prepared my project on my CapCut PC application, and if we want to import caption to our project, first thing first, we need to open the caption feature right here. Just click on the captions and then you can select add captions, and here you just need to click on import and select the caption from your device that you want to import to your project. And just remember guys, you can only import this kind of captions, the SRT, LRC, ASS caption. And I'm just going to click on this import button, and I have downloaded caption from the internet. I'm just going to open my download folder, and I'm going to import this caption, this SRT file. We can click on the file and we just need to click on open, and just wait until the caption has been imported to your video. And right after the caption is imported, you just need to drag it to your project. You can click on this plus button to add it to your timeline. You just need to wait until the process complete. Alright guys, and that's how we can import caption to our project on CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.